All right, so where are my Nutella fans? Today we are making small batch Nutella brownies. And these brownies get all their amazing flavor from Nutella. They are gooey on the inside, light and crispy on the outside. And as you can see, I've already eaten one. They're delicious. This small batch recipe is perfect when that chocolate craving hits, but you don't need too much chocolate. Join me in the kitchen as we make small batch recipes with big taste. Hi, I'm Leigh and welcome to my kitchen. Now, some of you may be wondering, what is Nutella? Well, Nutella is a hazelnut and cocoa spread. It comes from Italy, and you can typically find it here in the United States in the peanut butter aisle. And it is delicious. All you really need is a spoon. But today we're going to use it to make some incredible brownies. Now, today's recipe makes enough brownies for 2 to 4 people, depending on how hungry you are. But if you don't need that much brownie, you're also going to want to check out my Nutella brownie for 1. It's just the perfect amount for 1 person. Now, today I've got 3 different versions of this Nutella brownie for you that I will show you, and each one of them is delicious. We're going to start with, I have 3 tablespoons of softened butter here in my bowl, and I am using salted butter. And we're just going to take our hand mixer. You could totally do this by hand if you want, and just cream, get that butter nice and light and fluffy. I'm going to put a little air into it. All right, then we are going to add in our sugar. I am using a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. You could totally use brown sugar if that is all you have. And then we're going to want to mix that up again till it's all nice and light and fluffy. All right, next we're going to add in 1 egg, and I'm just using a large egg. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is about a cupful or a little bit more. There we go. Now mix that up. All right, after we've got that all mixed up, we're going to take a 1/2 cup of Nutella, and we're going to put that in. Make sure you get it all out of there. Smells so good. Then we are going to add in just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we'll go ahead and mix that up. And then you want to go ahead and just kind of scrape down the sides of your bowl, so make sure you're getting all that mixed in there. All right, then flour. We're going to put in 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And for this first version, I told you, remember, there are 3 different versions. For this first version, we're going to do chocolate chips. I am using mini chocolate chips. I'm using a 1/4 cup. This is just going to give them a little bit more chocolate goodness and a little gooier in the middle. You can totally make these without chocolate chips. They'll still be delicious, but I like to add in a little bit of chocolate chip. And then you just want to mix this up together just until all the flour is incorporated and you can't see any more dry flour. All right, after we got all mixed up, we want to prep our pan. And I am just using a regular 9x5 loaf pan. And I've just taken a piece of parchment paper and cut it to fit right in there. It'll stay right down in there. And then we're going to take our batter and we're just going to scrape it all out of the bowl right into the pan. Get it all out. All right, and now for our next variation. Like I said, you could perfectly, I've done it before, just baked it just like this, but we're going to spread it into the pan. Get it into the corners there. All right, now, if you're a even bigger Nutella fan and you want more Nutella goodness in this, what we're going to do is we are going to take our Nutella and we're going to take a couple spoonfuls and we're just going to kind of like blop little drops, little blobs of Nutella onto the surface of the brownie batter. And I'm putting, I don't know, probably about a total of 2 tablespoons would be my guess. All right, and then we're just going to take a knife and we're just going to swirl with the tip of our knife that Nutella in throughout the brownie batter, okay? And then it could go into the oven just like this, or for your 3rd variation, we're going to take a little flaky sea salt. I like the Maldon flaky sea salt, and you can just sprinkle a little bit, just to your preference, over the top of the brownies, and then it's ready for the oven. We're going to put it in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 minutes. You just want to have it nice and so it's done around the edges and a toothpick comes out clean. They are done. I have let them cool in the pan for a little bit and we are ready to take them out of the pan. You can just see how easy, when you line it with parchment paper, it is to remove your brownies. There you go. Now, remember those all three variations. You can use one, you can use none, or you can use all three of them. And then next, depending on how many people you're going to share this with, you can cut it. Now, sometimes I'll just cut it into 4 pieces. Sometimes I cut it into 8. Just depends. These Nutella brownies are perfect just by themselves. So nice and gooey in the middle. Or they're great with a glass of cold milk or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Whatever way you choose, they're delicious. Now, make sure you check out some of my other small batch recipes here. I've got some small batch, just regular old brownies, and there are a lot of other small batch desserts. So go ahead and click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.